Good morning, everybody. It is December 2nd, Tuesday, 5:30 in the morning here. And today would like to share a couple of controversial thoughts or analysis on Bitcoin and just the cryptocurrency market right now. One thing that I always believe in is being objective and being emotionless and a market like this is extremely important when it comes to either investing, day trading, swing trading. I think it's as important to be as objective as possible and take your emotions out of the equation as much as you would like to make money and profit and be a part of this up and coming market. Always do your own research, and always critique us. Take everything we say here with a grain of salt and always apply your own analysis to it. It's a continuous learning process. For the most part, today I would like to share a couple of things, a couple of scenarios that could turn out to be bullish for Bitcoin right now and the altcoin market. For the most part, if we look at, I know there's a lot of buzz and hype right now. I know we're trying to break out of the 20K region, which we set all-time highs recently for, um, uh, yesterday and the day before. So we do have a lot of momentum to go up right now. The only thing that I would just want to shed the light on is a retracement and how far would that retracement be. So if we look at the monthly chart here on Bitcoin, a couple of things come to mind. The first thing is Um, right now, we're definitely at the trying to break the all-time highs from before. We pushed all the way up and did pass those all-time highs, and we are seeing some sort of is the monthly chart, the monthly candle uh, actually closed yesterday, and this opened today. So we are starting to see a retracement, but how far is that gonna come down? If we're looking now here, there's a huge overextension of Bitcoin and all these candlesticks. And it only makes sense for this to retrace back. Now, where's it gonna land on and where how long for? That's something that we can only just anticipate and we will never figure that out. But if we're assuming there's a retracement and if we're assuming that just going back down here to the 17 or 18K is not enough of a retracement, so where are we going to be at? So if we compare this bull run to the 2017 bull run, um, uh, this this month here, November 20th, compared to December, um, this is a lot more bullish than back in 2017 for a couple of reasons. One is when we got to the 20,000 in 2017, the sellers came all the way down and closed it back at the 13,000, 14,000. But specifically, the monthly candle closed at the $13,720. Now, obviously, we had no ceiling when we had this bull run back in 2017, so anything could happen. But now we set certain resistance and support lines that we cannot ignore anymore, and they will act as a magnet. So we did go all the way up. Sellers came in, dropped all the way back down here. Then we tried to run up again, didn't work. Sellers came back in, and we had a major correction going down. Now, next time we went up, now we have enough data points from 2017 to anticipate. All right, well, we know exactly now the new support slash resistance. Sorry, the new resistance is at the 14K or 13,500. We went up and it did react to it. And we did fall back down. We had a major correction. We even went all the way back down to $3,800. Now, with this new bull run, it also even validated this even more. We went up, we did react to it. The candlestick on October, the monthly candlestick, actually closed here. And as soon as we passed this range right here, we just shot right up. and the sellers didn't even come in. We don't even see a wick here. It's so small. So this is showing how dominant those buyers were. Now, with this overextension, we definitely do see a retracement coming back in. Now, keep in mind that this could just keep going up. We could we could even start seeing that, hey, we won't even probably see a bearish candle or retracement. It just can't shoot right back up. But we're talking about scenarios and probabilities here, and that's something I fully believe in, and we should always take. Uh, we should be a bit cautious when it comes to um, trading that or swing trading it, or even just investing in general. So now on the monthly chart, that's what's happening. Less buyers came in for sure. We're definitely overextended, and it only makes sense for it to drop and correct. But when do we see that correction? Um, Now we definitely know that we passed through this, and are we gonna come back to retest it? That's the main question. Are we gonna come back to retest this, the 14K, before we shoot right back up? It's very typical for it to. So if we go to the daily chart, and we still zoom out, um, uh, actually, if we go to the monthly chart still, RSI is extremely still oversold. MACD haven't even seen a down tick yet, and this this support right here, if I don't think it would be that significant. I'm not sure if it would hold because um, if we switch to the daily, we've never visited this area here except for one time before, and we definitely did see wicks right below it. So we did kind of react to it as a support when we came down. Is this going to hold? If this level 17,000 does not hold, then the only support I can see holding right after is literally the 14K, 13,800 basically. Just something to think about and something to keep in mind. We know a lot of institutions are actually acquiring this in the hundreds of millions, and but that doesn't mean that these major institutions wouldn't like to have Bitcoin at a more reduced price. So we're all bullish on Bitcoin for the most part for the long term, but it depends on also where would you like to have Bitcoin bought at. So let us know in the comments. Let me know what you think. Let me know if I'm wrong or no. And yeah, we'd love to see what you think about it. So have a good day. We'll see you tomorrow. Thank you for watching. Please like, comment, share, and subscribe. And have a great day.